Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to do the log.
So welcome back to my channel.
Correlation
In this
analysis.
video,
So
we
what
will
is
solving
correlation
a
analysis?
question
So
by Carl
correlation
Pearson's
analysis
method. So if you
is
haven't
a
watched the
statistical
previous
procedure
video,
by which
I
we can
do
determine
recommend
the degree
please
of
watch them
associate or
before
relationship
starting this
between two or
question.
more variable.
So calculate the question
there
is
are
calculate the
basically two types
coefficient
of
of
data.
correlation
First one
between x and y for the following
is
data.
bivariate data,
We have given the values.
and second one
We have been
is
given
univariate
the values x and y. So what is Carl Pearson's method?
Data?
I have already
Which
told you
has
in the
two
Carl Pearson
variables.
method the data is very small. We can easily solve this by actual mean method. So what does
Univariate
actual
data
mean
is
method is?
basically which has one
R is
variable.
equals to basically summation of
simple.
xy upon
So now
root of
we'll look into the top
summation of x
properties
square
of
into
correlation.
summation of y square,
Properties
or
of
where x is equals to x minus
coefficient
x bar.
of correlation.
So for this we need to calculate x bar. So how do we calculate the x bar? X bar is basically the mean of this x.
R is basically coefficient of correlation.
So how will you calculate the x? X here, x bar here, basically 1 plus 2 plus
So
3
what is the first
plus
property
4
says?
plus
So
5
first property says
plus 6 plus 7
that the
plus 8
coefficient
plus 9
correlation always lie between
divided
minus
by
1 to plus 1. So minus 1
the number
plus
n,
1 coefficient of correlation should
that
lie
is
between.
9,
Second
and we will
property
get the
says
answer
if R is equal to 0,
5.
there is no correlation.
So we have
There is
taken
no correlation.
x bar as 5.
Third property says if R is equal to 1, that means it is positive.
So next
And
y
if
bar.
R is equal to
Similarly we
minus
calculate the
1,
y bar, which is
that
9
means it's negative.
plus 8 plus
Fourth
10
property says that
plus
R
12
is a pure
plus
number.
11 plus 13
It's
plus
a pure
14
number
plus
and it
16
doesn't change
plus 15 divided by
due to
9, which
change
makes
or
it
shift of
108 divided by 9, which is 12. So now we
Or
have got the values x bar,
change of
which is
state.
5, and y bar is equals to 12. So now we have to calculate the small x
now
and
we'll
small
look
y
into
value.
topic types of correlation.
So for that I recommend you to make a table. First one is x, then y.
Types of correlation.
X is equals to x minus x bar, y is equals
So
to
basically there
y,
are four types
capital
of
Y
correlation.
minus
We'll
y
look
bar,
each one by
then
one.
small x square,
So first type is positive
y
correlation.
square, then xy.
First is positive correlation. What do you mean by positive correlation? By the word it says that R should be 1, equal to 1.
I'm just dividing
So
it by the
basically,
scale
Y,
so that they don't
X,
get mixed up.
the data should lie at the center. Here it's positive correlation. In this also there are two types. First type says
So let's start.
Y, X.
Let me choose a different
most of the
color.
data should lie over in that part. So here this is high
So
degree
1, 2,
high
3,
degree of correlation,
4,
and
5,
this is low degree of correlation.
6, 7, 8,
Next correlation type is
and
negative
here
correlation.
is 9.
Negative correlation basically says
Wait,
the coefficient
I'll
of
make a
correlation
line,
should be
extend the line
-1.
a bit more. At the end we have to calculate your summation of x
Look
square,
like this.
summation of y square, and summation of xy. Because in our formula,
also we
I have
have
already
two
told
types.
you, we have summation of
Basically.
x square and summation of y square. So now look,
This is high degree.
now we will fill up the y values: 9, 8, 10,
This
12,
is low degree.
11, 13, 14,
Next type of
16
correlation
and 15.
is linear
So
correlation.
x minus x bar, basically 5 minus 1 minus 4. X, your x value is 1 and x bar value is 5. So 1
So
minus
what do you mean by
4,
linear correlation?
1 minus 5 is minus 4.
When we plot x and
Again,
y, they
2
should
minus 5
correspond to
is
a
minus
straight
3. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2,
This is linear
3,
correlation.
4. Similarly
And
for
then
y,
another type is
we have to
non-linear
minus 9.
correlation,
9 minus 12 is minus
which
3.
is also called curvilinear
Then
correlation.
minus 4, minus 2,
Basically here
here 0, 1,
x and y
minus 1,
are
minus
not
1,
plotted in a straight
1,
line. It can be either in a curve.
2. So here I have,
So now we will
let us place
into the
remaining over here,
methods
2,
to study
4
correlation.
and 3. So basically x square. So this square of this one. So 4 square minus 4 का square is 16. It's very easy. Minus 3 square is 9. Negative
First
value will be
method
removed over here.
Is
4,
Carl Pearson's
1,
method.
0, 1,
Carl Pearson's
4,
method of
9,
coefficient of
16.
correlation. Second one is
So
Spearman's
summation
rank
over here we get it
Spearman's
60.
rank correlation.
So y square. Similarly calculated for y square.
Correlation
So here
coefficient
9,
method.
16, 4, 0, 1,
So
1,
we'll look
4,
into each
16,
one of this
9.
in the next video. By
So
then, stay
after
tuned.
summing up,
Please
we
like
get
and subscribe if
it
you
also
like this
16
video. Thank you.
xy. So basically we have to multiply this both.
Welcome everyone to my
4
channel.
into 3 is
Today,
12.
we
4
are
into
going
3
to
is
the top-
again 12.
Going to look into the topic
2 into 2
correlation
4.
analysis.
0,
So what
0
is
because
correlation analysis?
for the value is 0.
So
So
correlation
0
analysis
into anything is 0.
Is a statistical procedure
Then
by
1,
which we can determine
4,
the degree of
12
associate
and
or
12.
relationship between two or
So
more
after
variables.
summing up, we get the value
So
57.
there are basically two types of data. First one is
So according to
bivariate
formula, summation of x into y
data, and second one
and root of
univariate
summation
data.
of x square into summation of y square. That what the formula was.
So what do you mean by bivariate
Again,
data?
It's not x
Which
into y,
has
sorry,
two
xy.
variables.
Don't get confused here.
And
It's
univariate
xy.
data is basically which has one variable.
So summation of
Very
xy is 57.
So now
We got it as
look at-
57.
We'll look into
Again,
the
under root
the
of
properties of correlation.
60 into 60.
Properties
57
of
under root of 360.
coefficient.
The final
correlation.
answer should be 0.95 R. So this is how we
So
solve
coefficient of correlation is
this one
denoted
by
by
Carl
R.
Pearson's
R
method.
is basically coefficient of
So
correlation.
in next video we will look into the assume mean method. How to solve a question by assume mean method. Till then, stay tuned.
So what is the first property says? So first property